And now more news coming in. Actor Sonu Sood comes in support of the ground staff. Sonu Sood says delayed flight is frustrating, but remember faces trying to fix chaos. Be nice and humble to Indigo staff. Staff carrying the weight of cancellations. This is the latest that we're getting from Sonu Sood, who's asking people to be patient even as the flights are getting delayed, and he knows that this can be frustrating. He has come in support of the ground staff, and he's saying that remember faces trying to fix the chaos. He's asking people to be nice and humble, and who's known for his community initiatives, upliftment. He's asking people to stay patient. Staff is carrying the weight of cancellations. Remember them, and a delayed flight is frustrating, but remember the faces trying to fix it, and they're carrying the weight of cancellations. He's asking people to support them.
मेरा खुद का परिवार ट्रैवल कर रहा था और करीबन 4.5-5 घंटों ने वेट करना पड़ा और फिर फ्लाइट उड़ी, पहुंच भी गए और बहुत सारी फ्लाइटें नहीं उड़ी, बहुत सारी कैंसिल हुई, बहुत सारे लोग शादियां नहीं अटेंड कर पाए, मीटिंग्स कैंसिल हुई, इवेंट्स कैंसिल हुए, बहुत तकलीफें हुई। लेकिन जो दुख की बात ये देखने को मिली कि उन एयरपोर्ट्स पे जब जितना जो स्टाफ था, ग्राउंड स्टाफ, उस पे कैसे लोग चिल्ला रहे थे। आई नो कि फ्रस्ट्रेशन होती है, दुख होता है और आप अपना गुस्सा निकालते हो, बट आप खुद को इमेजिन कीजिए उनकी जगह पर, जो खुद बेबस हैं, उन्हें पता नहीं कि आगे क्या स्केड्यूल्स हैं, कैसे फ्लाइट्स उड़ेंगी या नहीं उड़ेंगी, और जो उन्हें ऊपर से मैसेजेस आते हैं, दे जस्ट हैव टू पास इट ऑन टू यू। सो जो लोगों ने रिएक्ट किया, जिस तरह से लड़ाई झगड़े हो रहे थे, आई थिंक इट्स वेरी वेरी अनफॉर्चुनेट। आई थिंक हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बनती है, जब मुश्किल आती है उन पर, तो हम भी उनका साथ दें। ये उनकी गलती के कारण नहीं, बहुत सारे सिस्टम्स की प्रॉब्लम के कारण ये डिले हो रहे थे और वापस भी हो जाएंगे। बट आई थिंक एज रिस्पॉन्सिबल सिटीजन्स इट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस कि हम लोग मेक श्योर करें कि हम उन पर रिएक्ट ना करें, बिकॉज दे आर हेल्पलेस एंड दे डोंट हैव एनी आंसर्स। एंड प्लीज ट्राई टू कीप कूल, अपना जो गुस्सा है उसे कंट्रोल कीजिए और रिस्पेक्ट कीजिए। वो भी घर से बाहर निकले हैं अपनी ड्यूटीज निभाने के लिए, और हमारी ड्यूटी बनती है कि हम वैसे ही मुस्कुराकर उनसे मिलें जैसे वो लोग हमसे मिलते आए हैं। धन्यवाद, थैंक यू सो मच।
So that was Sonu Sood asking people to be patient and be calm in the face of chaos. But I'll bring back Shreya in. Shreya, we saw yesterday scenes unfolding where people were visibly angry, and rightly so, where 1,000 flights were cancelled. And you are at the airport there, and what is the kind of atmosphere or the mood that people have today? And Sonu Sood has just come in with a statement asking people to be patient and support the ground staff, and because even they probably don't know the kind of status of the flights.
Well, Jessica, patience comes with clarity, and probably yesterday clarity on the ground was lacking for thousands of passengers who were not really aware of what went wrong for them to actually land up in delays that were almost seeming never-ending. Today, however, we see that people are aware of the fact that there is, the flight operations have been hit, and that's primarily the reason the people who've already known and checked their flight status, which have been delayed, they're not piling up at the airport. That is the reason we see the situation getting back to a little normalcy than before. But we are still finding frustrated passengers on the ground, those who had medical emergencies, those who had joining emergencies for their work. All of them are still frustrated about the fact. But what Sonu Sood is entirely pointing it out is that please exercise a little bit of patience with the operators as well. Exercise patience with the Indigo operators, because they are also not really aware of how quickly the entire situation will phase out. The entire flight duty timings and the rostering issues had largely affected the planes, and more than 500 flights were actually cancelled till 11:59 in Delhi yesterday. All Indigo flights were cancelled, so people were affected, and because clarity was lacking on the ground, the frustration was obviously the thing that we saw over here. But with the matter easing out, with people realizing what's happening on the ground, situation is far better than what we are seeing yesterday. We only hope that with a few more days, the entire operations will work out better.
Right. So we're seeing that, as operations are easing in, people are a little bit more relaxed. They're more aware of the situation that's happening on ground. Thank you so much for joining in, Shreya.